Right, let's go.
I can't wait! A chance to try new things! I love food. Well, all except beetroot.
I love food too. Well, all except squid.
Oh, and Dad doesn't like tomatoes.
Well, I don't like anything except whoopie burgers. I'm not going. That's that.
All right, Henry, here's the deal. You come along, behave yourself, and eat everything on your plate, and I'll give you £2.
£2? Just for shoving a few mouthfuls of disgusting food in my mouth. Normally I have to do that for free. How about £3?
Don't push it, Henry.
OK, deal.
What's my reward for being good?
Goodness is its own reward, Peter, darling.
Huh?
It's very nice of Aunt Ruby to invite us to dinner at Restaurant Le Poche.
It won't be as good as Whopper Whoopie. They have real food.
And your cousin Steve will be there too, boys.
Oh, no! Not stuck-up Steve!
Steve's my favourite cousin.
Where shall I park?
We park, sir, unless you happen to be the chauffeur.
Darlings!
Aunt Ruby!
New car, Ruby?
I'm not sure, darling. All our limos look the same to me.
What make is your car, Henry? Rust Bucket 2000?
Thank you, sir.
Oh, look at that!
Yes, isn't it fabulous? It's carved completely out of ice.
I didn't think you'd be coming, Henry.
I'm getting £2 for eating everything on my plate.
And I'm not getting anything because goodness is its own reward.
Be quiet, worm!
I thought this place was called La Poche. It don't seem very posh to me. Shh! You're shouting. Don't tell me I'm shouting, Boudica Batlax. I'll tell you if I'm shouting. Shh! Mother!
Wow! I didn't think teachers had mothers.
So, what's everyone having? I recommend lait de cochon avec les yeux du mouton.
Oh, don't they know any English?
It's a French restaurant, stupid.
You order for me, Aunt Ruby. I eat everything.
Yes, perhaps Aunt Ruby should order for all of us.
Excellent idea.
No way! I've got to eat everything on my plate, so I'm ordering for myself. Which one is the hamburger and chips?
That would be on the lunch menu, monsieur, and we do not open for lunch.
I dare you to order escargot as an appetizer.
Escargot? What's that?
Snails.
Yeah, right. Like they're gonna serve snails in a fancy restaurant.
And then tripe for your main course. That's sheep's intestines. But if you're chicken...
Don't call me chicken. I'll have escargot and tripe.
Our spécialité. Very good, monsieur.
It's so easy being me. I'm Horrid Henry.
If the police thought Rebecca was the intruder and took her away, does that mean I win hide and seek?
No, you most definitely haven't won hide and seek. Intruder, am I? 10 feet tall, am I? Teeth like icebergs, have I?
It wasn't my idea. I think you're very charming.
Get to bed. You have 5 seconds. 1. Run! 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't even think think of moving from that bed, or you'll be sorry you were born!
This is not good for my reputation. I hope nobody finds out I went to bed 2 whole hours before my bedtime.
Henry, it's me, Peter. I came to see what you're going to do.
Do?
Well, you're Henry. You're not going to take this lying down.
No, I'm not. Because no one tells Henry what to do. This is our house. We have rights. We will not be bullied. We will stand up to the oppressor. We will gain our freedom. Because I am Henry and you are Peter.
I think I'll stay in my room.
Worm.
Spider! Oh, it's just a stupid toy.
Eureka! That's it!
Are we free yet?
We need a spider.
Spider? Any particular species?
Yeah, a big one. Perfect! Now, scream for help.
Help! Ow! Help!
That was pretty good.
Oh, thank you.
Why aren't you in bed?
Spider! Wah! Take them away.
Look, Peter, that was huge! Really hairy and horrible and wriggly and...
Get rid of them!
If I risk my life and get rid of the spiders, can I watch Mutant Max?
Yes,
And stay up till my parents come home?
yes,
And eat all the ice cream in the fridge?
yes. Just get rid of that thing.
Deal!
I think I'll take them to school tomorrow.
Right, back to bed, both of you, now!
We agreed.
Tough! Deal's off!
A simple thank you would have been nice.
If the deal's off, you can have the spiders back.
Henry, maybe you should stop. It's not nice to scare others.
She broke her promise.
True. Grown-ups shouldn't make promises and not keep them.
Let me out! Let me out right now!
Freedom!
It's so easy being me. I'm Horrid Henry.
Twinkle, twinkle, little bro. Aha! We're gonna eat at Gobble and Go.
That's what you think.
He's worried. But just to be on the safe side, I've got a little plan. Peter's happy hippo painting is on the other side of this wall. Now we wait.
How perfectly perfect, Peter.
Now!
Day 4. And perfect Peter is romping to victory with 4 stars. To Henry's 0. Henry's going to have to do something pretty special if he wants to gobble and go. Don't forget Jolly Josh is coming over to play, Henry.
Oh no! Jolly Josh! He's always playing practical jokes. He's going to wreck my room.
Never mind, dear.
4 stars. Ooh, how I love cabbage casserole.
Way!
Wait for me!
Smell these!
No thanks. Let's play outside.
But it's raining. Let's play with these.
No! We could sit here and chat.
All right. Is everything okay, Henry? Your room looks really weird.
Yeah, it's tidy.
Whoever heard of a tidy bedroom?
Mum said if I keep it tidy for a week, I can go to Gobble and Go.
Gobble and Go? That's worth it.
Unless my smelly, nappy baby brother gets more stars than me.
How many stars has he got?
4.
And you?
None.
Then we'd better think of something very special to get you to Gobble and Go.
But what?
Trust me, I'm a professional.
Bye, Josh! And thanks!
Bye, and good luck.
Well, I must say, Henry, this is really, really tidy.
Thanks, Mum.
But Peter's room is tidy too.
Huh? That's funny, Bunny.
Because I can see how hard you've worked, I'm going to give you 1 star.
It's still not enough to beat Peter, though, is it?
Maybe next time, eh?
Mom!
Coming, Peter! Peter! What a mess, Peter!
I've just beaten my brother!
So easy being me. I'm Horrid Henry.
Dad, please, can I stay up for dinner?
After last time, no way.
That was ages ago. I was younger then.
Ah! Dinner is served. Oh, no.
I'm all grown up now. I promised to behave.
You're going to bed early tonight, Henry.
It's not fair! It's not fair! It's not fair! Still not fair!
What are you cooking tonight, dear?
Salmon with lime and ginger and, chocolate mousse for dessert.
Mum, I'm really looking forward to meeting the Mossies tonight.
Nice try, Henry.
But it's not fair! Peter gets to stay up and you're having chocolate mousse! I love chocolate mousse!
Mr. Mossy wants to hear Peter play the cello, and then it's off to bed for him as well.
I'm rather looking forward to an early night. I understand that grown-ups need to be by themselves sometimes.
Horrid Henry! Stop it! Go to your room.
I won't! I want to stay up! I want chocolate mousse! I want...
Upstairs now! And don't come out until I tell you.
The dinner guests are here!
Oh, no, the mousse. I'll have to make another one.
Good evening.
Hello.
Delighted to meet you, Mr. and Mrs. Mossy. I'm Peter.
What a journey! Put Hercules down, dear.
Look, Fluffy, a nice, big, tasty mouse.
Hercules! Oh, my poor baby!
This should help Peter's cello sound better.
Poor Hercules! Mummy will protect you. They really ought to keep that wild beast locked up.
It's just not fair. I'm stuck here while they're all having fun. Chocolate mousse. Well, if they won't invite me to dinner, I'm inviting me to dinner. Perfect. Dinner is served. Uh-oh. Peter doesn't play that well.
Someone has tampered with your music, Peter.
Shh. Not bad. Come on, boy. Attaboy. Sorry, but it's the last one. Yikes!
And it's such a lovely neighbourhood for the kids to grow up in. And,
Hercules! Bad dog! I must apologise. Has he eaten them all?
don't worry, it's just a few nuts. I didn't know they could jump that high.
Neither did I.
So easy being me. I'm Horrid Henry.
There are no failures in my class.
There aren't?
No. Everyone has talent if they work hard, and you will be up on that stage with everyone else. Don't you worry.
Oh. What am I going to do, Ralph? I haven't got much time left.
Maybe the concert will be so bad, no one will notice you.
Eureka! That's it! Ralph, I need to borrow your karate costume.
Hey,
Thanks!
what did I say?
I don't know.
Ooh, my tummy feels funny. I can see my mum. We are clouds! We are clouds! We will be the best clouds we can be!
Come on, everyone! Time to get into your costumes.
Time to get into my costume.
Oh, I hope Peter isn't too nervous.
I hope Henry behaves himself.
Places, everyone! Quickly! Where is Henry? And now I'm delighted to present to you Madame Tutu's elementary ballet class, who will perform for us a new piece entitled I Hear Thunder. Oh, doesn't Peter look sweet?
I still can't see Henry.
Dance! Dance! The show must go on! What are you doing?
There's no thunder without lightning.
Wait! You will stand here. You will not move or try to dance.
But no one can see me here.
Precisely.
Result! Karate class, here I come! Uh-oh.
Henry.
welcome. My name is Mrs. Crunch. C-R-U-N-C-H Crunch. And I have the pleasure of being your tour guide extraordinaire while you grace our premises.
I want to see the dinosaurs.
Me too.
That's impossible, I'm afraid. Our new dinosaur exhibit is presently closed to the public.
My dad says you've got a mummy.
Well, dear, most of us do have Oh, of course, how silly of me. You mean the mummy from the ancient Egypt exhibit?
Ooh, a mummy! Ooh.
Unfortunately, the ancient Egypt gallery had to make way for the dinosaur exhibit, so it too is closed to the public.
Well, let's come back when they're open.
Young man, this is a place of learning. For those who find civilized behavior impossible, we have a naughty children's room. You would be wise to avoid it. Follow me, class. Gather round, class. As you can see, our permanent exhibit tells the story of this very spot throughout history. The flora on display here once covered this entire
Looks like the stuff in our garden.
Shush! Let us start with the soil, the very earth beneath our feet, unchanged since the dawn of humanity. See it, touch it, smell it. Our very soil is alive with the mysteries of history.
It's alive! It's alive!
Very funny, young man, but also accurate. The soil is very much alive. Behold the wormery.
I hate worms! We could eat them like they do on telly.
Oh, yuck!
What do worms taste like?
I don't know.
Watch your feet! Do not tread on the worms!
Everyone help! I want all the worms picked up immediately!
I'm not touching them. Mama might catch something.
Oh, for goodness sake! They're only worms!
Miss, can I go to the loo?
Yes, fine, but don't dawdle, Henry.
Someone is responsible for this. I am very disappointed. Very disappointed.
So easy being me. I'm Horrid Henry.
Where's my ice cream gone?
Don't be horrid, Henry. And I had to buy all those damaged tins of carrots. Look at them.
Well, it's not my fault they took away all the ice cream.
Well, you can just help me put them away.
Oh. Collect 6 tokens and win a tour of the Frosty Freeze ice cream factory.
And write a slogan.
Yeah, I guess I can do that.
What's for tea, Mum?
Carrots?
Great! What?
Here, listen to this. Frosty Freeze is really cool. If you don't eat it, you're a fool. If that doesn't win, my name isn't Rude Ralph.
Thanks, Ralph. You really are a pal. Well, what do you know? I won! Yes! Go, Henry! Go, Henry!
Henry!
Gotta go!
Hi, and welcome to Frosty Freeze Ice Cream, where everyone gets a really
cool reception. My name's Frosty Steve. Follow me to Frosty Freeze.
Will we get free samples?
Henry?
Of course you will.
Yes!
Meet the Snowbots. They're very cool workers. And this is where we mix in all our lovely ingredients.
So much ice cream! Oh, I can't wait! I'm hungry already!
Here, Mum packed you a snack, just in case.
Great! Oh, more carrots! Do you want to hear a joke?
Affirmative.
What do you get if you cross a snowman with a crocodile?
What is answer?
Frostbite.
Henry, keep up.
Gotta go!
It's free sample time.
Yes!
What's this? It's orange.
Whatever it is, it's delicious.
That is good. Can't quite work out the flavour.
Try some, Henry.
It's carrot.
Carrot?
Carrot?
Yeah. You see, Mum packed carrots for my snack, and they accidentally fell into the vat.
Now, got any more bright ideas for new flavours?
So easy being me. I'm Horrid Henry.
Now, Henry, I want you on your best behaviour. I don't want any midnight calls like the last time. Or the time before that.
Come and pick up your son! Come and pick up your son!
Come and pick up your son!
Come and pick up your son!
And the time before that. And the time before that. And the time...
Okay, Dad, I get the picture.
Best behaviour now. I mean it. I don't want Nick's parents phoning me to come and get you.
Buongiorno!
I'm Henry.
Welcome, Henry! Welcome, Henry! Welcome!
Does Nick live here?
Down, boys, down! Don't mind our babies. Don't mind Mother. She's just warming up for the monthly opera karaoke.
Hi, Henry. Oh, ignore them. They think they're really cool.
Your parents are really, loud.
Yeah, they call it expressing yourself.
So what time is bedtime?
Anytime I like. I make my own rules. Cool, innit?
Cool. You're really lucky.
Yeah, except breaking your own rules isn't that much fun. Meet my kid sister, Lily.
I love you, Henry.
Oh, yuck! You're my first sleepover.
So, what do we do now?
Let's raid the kitchen.
Oh, that sounds good. Where do we start?
Where does your mum hide the biscuits?
Here, catch.
Thanks. This isn't exactly like a real raid.
Oh, you want me to hide them? Rigoletto, give that back. Sorry about that, Henry.
Maybe later. Maybe we should try something else.
Henry, my son wants to give you a big kiss. Off you go, Lily.
She's disgusting.
Yeah, cool, isn't it? Henry, careful. Bed's broken.
Already? We could have a pillow fight.
The dogs chewed 'em.
Where are all your toys?
Dogs chewed 'em.
Cars?
Dogs.
Comics?
Dogs. Did you bring any toys with you?
No. I forgot. Maybe we could watch Rapper Zapper.
So easy being me. I'm Horrid Henry.
Horrid Henry. Any ideas, Peter?
Yes! You need wings!
Wings?
Yes! Like a fairy!
No way!
It's here! It's here! I'm definitely gonna win now!
Of course you are, my little pumpkin pop.
You bought that from a shop! That's cheating!
No, it isn't. You're just jealous. My go-kart has its own engine, power steering, electric windows, glove compartment, heated seats.
Huh.
Shall I go on?
You don't need to. You're cheating.
Ha! Cheating's for losers, and I am a winner.
What was that you said about wings?
Mum says dinner's ready.
Tell her we're not coming in till it's finished. On your marks. Good luck, Henry.
Good luck, Henry!
3, 2, 1, go!
Ah! I'm not moving!
Release the handbrake.
I don't know how to! Oh! I knew you should have read the instruction manual!
1 down, 3 to go.
I'm winning! I'm winning!
Now, where did I put the turbo booster hyperdrive lever?
No! Another one down.
At last, I'm back in the race! Woohoo!
Oi there, me hearty!
Just as I thought. Too much weight. Henry's cart needs something to make it lighter. Fairy dust.
I don't think the fairy wings are going to do it, Peter.
No, but this will. Fairy dust. Ah! What's that?
That's good fairy dust, Peter.
Works every time.
We won! We won!
Easy being me, I'm Horrid Henry.
School talent competition. All pupils welcome.
First prize, tickets to a show of your choice.
Problem solved.
I wouldn't bother entering that if I were you, because we're going to win.
Not if my new band's got anything to do with it.
What's this new band called then?
Henry's Horrid Heroes. Yeah, Henry's Horrid Heroes.
What kind of a name's that?
Oh, just the name of the band that's going to win the talent competition. The day after tomorrow.
Na 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 na.
So, Henry, who's actually in this band then?
You are.
Eh? Do you really think we can win, Henry?
Oh, yeah, we're going to win all right. Wow! Serious guitar, Ralph?
Yeah! Mum won't let me play it in the house. She says it gives her a headache.
Mums just don't understand. So, what should we play?
What can we play?
I just know you're going to pass your exam, Peter. You're going to make us so proud.
Ladies and gentlemen, today I shall play my favourite piece, the theme from Happy Hippos.
That's enough, Henry!
Why do I have to be the dummy? Because everyone knows you're a better dummy than me. Oh. Huh? Oh! I've had enough.
Care for an autograph?
As if. Keep the noise down. We're practicing.
Don't bother. We're going to win. Easy.
You're rubbish. Even the Killer Boy Rats are better than you. And you're not even a band. There are only two of you, so you're a duo. Now duo the whole street a favour and shut up.
She's right, Henry. We'll never be as good as the Killer Boy Rats. Oh.
No, we won't. We'll be better. Come on, we've got to get a third band member. Enter! Why do you want to join our band?
I want to make friends and be happy.
Next!
Well,
I thought you were great. Henry,
Too good. Next!
can you sing?
I don't know.
Play a piano?
I don't know.
Bang a drum?
Shake a tambourine?
Click your fingers?
I don't know.
Next!
Next! Oh, can you actually play that?
No, but I know lots of interesting things.
Next! I told you, Ralph, no girls allowed. Aha! There is our third band member. So, if you join my band, you can be Captain Peter of the Purple Hand Gang.
what, like an in-charge captain?
Yes, sort of. I'm still leader, of course.
And I'm second in command.
But you can be next in charge after that.
Wow! I'll do it! But there's no time to practice.
Oh, don't you worry about that. Killer boy rats, here I come!
It's so easy being me. I'm Horrid Henry.
No TV until you've done all your chores.
Chores? No!
Now, Henry.
Can I still go to Ralph's today?
Maybe. After you've done all your chores. We'll see.
Yay! When parents say we'll see, they always mean yes.
Ooh, I love doing my chores.
Worm.
Come on, Henry. The sooner you get started, the sooner you'll be finished.
Oh, all right. What do I have to do?
Well, you can start by cleaning out your hamster.
Hello, Fang. Remember me? Come on, Fang. Climb inside. All right. Come on, little Fangy Fangy. Who's a pretty boy then? Little Fangy, I love you, I love you.
Henry, what are you doing?
Nothing.
Stop it at once, you horrible hamster! Ow!
Stupid cat, get off! Leave him alone!
Oh, poor Fluffy. Poor Fluffy.
Whatever is going on here?
Fang's being horrid to Fluffy.
That's not true!
Put Fang away now, Henry. You haven't got time to play with him. Oh, look at your room. It's even more of a mess than usual. Oh, you can tidy it later. Can you empty all the rubbish bins now, please?
Oh, come on, Fang. Time to go back. When I'm king, only parents will have to do chores.
Henry, what are you doing?
Emptying the bins.
Oh, I don't think that's what Mum meant. I'm going to tell.
You don't have to.
Mum!
Worm.
Mum!
Henry?
Yes?
Oh, have you emptied all the bins?
Yes. Can I go to Ralph's now?
Oh, we've only just started, Henry. Dad wants you to help him wash the car.
Oh!
It's for you!
Henry, I'll be back in a minute. Make sure you wash the windows too.
What? That'll take forever! I can't wash the windows if they're not there, can I? I'll finish the car off for Dad. That'll speed things up a bit.
It's so easy being me. I'm Horrid Henry.
Hey, what does that mean?
It means we can save Henry's fort. Come on! Shh! Another biscuit, Henry.
No thanks, Ralph. I'm right off my food with all this business.
I wonder if Margaret and her team will come up with anything.
She better. Mind you, I did agree a no-win, no-fee clause with her.
Eh? What does that mean?
Apparently, it means if she doesn't win the case, she doesn't get her fee.
And what's her fee?
Leader of the Purple Hang Gang for a whole month. And all the chocolate biscuits she can eat.
Oh.
Exactly.
Excuse me for asking, but am I speaking with the producer of The Big Dig?
Aye, this is me speaking.
It is? Oh, well then, have I got a dig for you?
You have?
Oh, yes. You see, there's this old fort.
Old fort, you say?
Yes, it's really, really old, nearly falling down, and it belongs to a friend of mine, Henry. Well, he's not exactly a friend, but we'll let that pass for the time being.
Nearly falling down, you say?
Oh, yes, and it's under threat.
Oh, under threat?
A really, really serious threat. A majorly major threat. And we believe that this fort is actually on the site of a major
Archaeological.
Yeah, that's it. Discovery. What we mean is that it's got to be protected right now. Thank you. Ha! A job well done. Now for part B of Plan A.
Are you Henry's dad? Yes. What's he done now? He's alerted us to a major archaeological discovery. I see. Oh, you'll need to sign this. What is it?
It's a contract to say that you won't take down any forts without prior permission. Here's a pen.
Oh, I see.
Purple Hand Gang, here I come! Mmm! And Spinnaker's Popularis looks really yummy too. Ooh.
Whatever is going on?
And of course we'll reinstate your fort exactly the way that you want it. We just need to excavate the bits and pieces that are already down there.
What? Shame they didn't find anything other than that old teapot of mine.
Yes. Wonder why they thought there was anything there in the first place.
Who knows? But anyway, at least Henry will get a nice new fort.
To go with my nice new barbecue?
Come on, it's time to unveil the new fort.
I declare this fort well and truly open!
But it's exactly like it was before.
Because that's exactly how I wanted it. Thank you, Mr. Producer.
My pleasure, Henry.
So, was it worth it?
What do you mean?
Well, Margaret, her fee.
Oh yes. I don't have to worry about enemy invasions anymore with her around.
Easy being me, I'm Horrid Henry.
Henry, what are you waiting for? Christmas? Fallout, lunch.
Oh, that was fun. Did you have fun, Henry?
What do you think, Worm? Burger and chips, sir. What's this?
Stew.
Yummy! I love stew.
I hate stew. Where are the chips?
We don't have chips.
Where are the burgers?
We don't have burgers.
Well, what do you have?
Stew.
But I want chips! I want chips! I want chips! I want... Stew, please.
Ooh,
Shh! Get dressed, quickly! We're escaping!
but I don't want to escape.
What?
I
I don't want to escape.
OK, I'll leave you behind then, all by yourself.
Thanks, Henry. I'm going to get my junior tracker badge.
You're coming, aren't you, Al?
Sorry, Henry. They said we're going for a 20-kilometre run tomorrow.
But you want to escape, don't you?
I don't know.
Shh! You start digging and I'll keep watch. Bert, is that you?
I don't know.
I don't know, but it's been said.
I don't know, but it's been said.
10 more Ks till we get fed.
10 more Ks till we get fed.
I don't know, but it's been said.
We did it! We escaped!
You okay, Bert?
I don't know.
Well, we can't just sit here. Let's go before they come back. Which way is home?
I don't know.
We're lost! What if we can't get out of here? Or what if they never find us? What if we get eaten by wolves?
I don't know.
But if you had to choose your favourite,
I don't know.
pizza or chips?
I don't know.
Burger. Pizza or chips or burger? If you had to choose. Yes?
I don't know.
So easy being me. I'm Horrid Henry.
So, Henry, you've got biscuits?
Yeah, I have, and they're all mine.
Or even if I let you play with my Zaptronic uploadable?
Oh, all right. Just one then.
Deal. Swap another?
Okay. They've all gone!
Those biscuits are good. Bring some more tomorrow.
Sure will.
Hello, Henry. Can I have a biscuit?
You too?
Yeah, Ralph told me about them.
What do you got then?
All the sweets my dad won't let me eat.
Cool.
Hello, Henry.
Hello, Henry.
Hello, Henry.
Hello, Henry. Oh, okay. What have you got? Oh, hello, Margaret.
Give me one of your biscuits, Henry.
Let me see. Shall I give you one of my biscuits? One of my very valuable biscuits that everyone else is prepared to pay a fortune for? No, I don't think so.
I'll pay.
Oh, well then.
How much?
Unlimited use of your crimson cutlass till the end of term.
Deal.
And the pirate hat to go with it.
Deal.
And all the chocolate biscuits in your secret club tin. And the tin too.
Deal. Now give.
I wonder what's going on over there. Someone said Henry's selling biscuits. Henry? Selling biscuits? Well, we'll see about that.
I said give.
Henry, how could you? Mum away. I had to pay a high enough price.
Go away, worm.
No, I won't.
Do as you're told, wormy worm.
Yeah, do as you're told.
Come on, Peter. Better do what you're told. Now would be good, Henry. Ooh, I'll get you for this, Henry.
Oh, there you are, Peter. Just making some more biscuits for Henry. He's asked for them every day this week. I just don't know how he can eat them all. But at least they're good for him.
Mom?
What is it, Sweetie Poppet?
Could I have the recipe for the biscuits, do you think?
Well, oh, I don't see why not, though it did belong to Great Aunt Greta, and she did swear me to secrecy not to tell anyone else.
Miss Lovely asked me if she could have it.
Oh, well, if it's for that lovely Miss Lovely, then I'm sure she can keep a secret too.
Oh, thanks, Mom. It's okay. I had my fingers crossed all the time. I didn't really tell a lie. I'm sure Miss Lovely would love to have the recipe if she knew about it. Oh, phew. It doesn't count if your fingers are crossed. I'm sure I read that somewhere.